A professional-grade everyday carry kitchen utility folding knife you need. Lyongma Design has announced the release of the Lyongma Kitchen Utility Folder Knife, version 3.0 for everyday carry enthusiasts at best price. The custom kitchen utility folder, KUF, is exclusive as one among the sole folding knives on the market with a cutting blade lower than the handle. Ma's knife creations are made up of 2 separate pieces instead of the usual 3, which increases the strength and rigidity of the knife. ELMAX steel, from Austria and Sweden, was selected for its property in edge retention, hardness, stain resistance, wear resistance, and pricing. Go to https://lyongma.com to find out more.